Well, after quite a few weeks of filming, you know, I've come out of my house and I've come to do my hobby, which is tree spotting. So,
The train now approaching platform 4 does not stop here. Please stand well clear of the edge. Platform 4.
I'll go on P5 in a bit.
alright. So, welcome back, guys, to Jakob.n.h Productions.
So
Also to a
it's a 319. It's a 319.
319367 on a empty coaching stock. Don't know where. I think it's from Preston to somewhere. I'm not too sure. Probably it's Liverpool, somewhere from there. So, what? If it was empty stock, according to Ben, Northwest Race White 390, it could be going to Allerton. So, you join me at Wigan Northwestern. So, we'll be seeing services tonight, purely from Virgin Trains, Northern, them fucking ugly cunts. Passing services by Class 350s from TPE, which is Transpennine Express, and also freight. So, like I said before, joining me tonight on this wonderful, glorious evening is Northwest Race 390, who is over there. Clippy top, bang. We'll get on with this session. So, 390 008 and 142 061 and a 150 unit 119 in P2. So yeah, let's get started, shall we? Let's see what shall arrive and depart here at, you guessed it,
This is a security message. If you see
Wigan Northwestern. Enjoy it. 390 008 off to
No, it's 390
for
Preston.
Preston. There's no mail trains tonight. Or there we go, not Lancaster and Martin tonight due to Easter.
You don't know that.
So 390 008 off to Preston.
Yeah, we're going to be moving on to platform 5 shortly, so this isn't going to be a problem much longer.
Whoops.
you're at the rear of the train, in zone 6 to number 8.
So
90 Pendle.
a
On reserve seating can be found
Class 390 Pendulino is
Now pretty irrelevant.
is now off to Birmingham International with a little bit of a delay, 5 minutes delay, and it's 390 040 for X Radio Star. So yeah, 390 040 X Radio Star on its way to Birmingham International, with the next station stop is Warrington Bank. Depart 390 040 off to Birmingham International.
The next train to arrive at platform 5 will be the 1838
There we go.
train service to Glasgow Central. With Preston, Lancaster, Oxford Lake District, Penrith for the North Lakes, Carlisle and Glasgow Central. This train is formed of 11 coaches.
Come on. There we go.
One of the 1731
390 040 off to Birmingham International. Currently got Warrington Bank Key Crew, Wolverhampton, Sunwell and Dudley, Birmingham in New Street, and then Birmingham 390 040. Beautiful. And then we've got to Class 150s from the Alderley Edge and then through back to Alderley Edge. 39104. You guessed it. Have to Glasgow Central or Edinburgh Waverley. One of them two. 39104. So getting ready to, well, now departing is 390 104. Off to Glasgow Central. Nine Sierra 85. Alston Pendolino. Without its Alston livery. 9 Sierra 78. 90 104. To Glasgow Central. So, just to quick let you guys on an update. Normally this service is found by 319, and yet look what it is, 2 car 150 101 off to Liverpool. 319.
373.
Please be 319 372.
372.
It was
Platform 1
319
of the 1850 Northern Circuit.
372.
Calling at Hindley,
Off
West
to
Horton,
Little
Bolton,
Prime Street.
Salford Crescent, Deansgate,
Oh.
Manchester Road,
Oh,
Manchester Piccadilly, Leadenhall, Eaton Chapel,
lanes,
Stockton.
guys.
It's not going, it ain't going.
If it ain't going, it ain't going, and that's the
It ain't going, sorry.
Omen Air from Omen to Manchester Airport. And look how low that is. Jeez Louise. Can't remember what that is. So yeah, that's the Omen Air. And look, it's banking. So, getting ready to depart is 319 372 off to Liverpool Lime Street. This is due to a rivalship between Wigan Warriors for St Helens Rugby. If you're into rugby, that's who's playing. 319 372 off to Liverpool Lime Street. Following that, St Helens Central, St Helens, and then Liverpool Lime Street.
This guy's team got relegated today.
And what? 319 372 off to Liverpool Lime Street.
Sorry if I'm offending the 4 Bolton fans on the planet, in case 3 of them watch
So getting ready to depart is 150 something, and then a
Looks like 272.
150 272 and 150 what?
Or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it.
22 something, and a 151 unit is 151 something on there. But I'm on platform number 5, who cares? So how welcome is this? Northern, what is your logic? Just look at that, please. A 151 2-car service, yes, on a Liverpool Lime Street when it's gonna be rammed.
Now is the train that just absolutely ruins logic, confirming that there is indeed zero logic in 2019.
150, 101. If you didn't get that,
2005 in Mercedes 2019 Dominance, it's absolutely packed.
150, 101 off to Liverpool Lime Street. A passing goes now is a class 350 bound for Manchester Airport. 350, 40. Is it 405?
10 again.
410?
24-hour CCTV
410.
recording
Jesus,
is in
Louise.
operation at this
350,
station for the
410
purpose of
off to Manchester
security
Airport from
and safety
Edinburgh
management.
or Glasgow, either one of them. Finally, to brighten my future.
This is my
Oh.
first 319 ride.
319 380. Off to Manchester, Wigan Northwestern from Liverpool Lime Street. So yeah, 319 380 off to Wigan Northwestern, and then it'll switch over to Liverpool Lime Street. So coming in now is a class 319, and to be honest, we've not heard Sebastian Vettel yet. Already sirens. Oh wait, yeah we did. It was a fire engine, but we've still not heard any police sirens, so yeah. So brighten my day up again. Another passing 350 beauty. 35407. Oh my god. Another regular to Jakob.n.h Productions. Checklist is 350-407 with a great two-tone there. Now it's class 319. The shitty Blackpool now. We want 9383. After Blackpool North with unauthorised name destination. Northern, getting it destination right. Shitty old fucking whatever it is to the part is 319383 off to Blackpool North. And look, Lime Street, get your fucking destination correct. Not Lime Street, it's not Lime Street, it's fucking Blackpool North. Not Lime Street, it's Blackpool North. Get your fucking destination right. And look at that. 319383 needs to change its fucking destination. Jeez Louise. My rant. So, it is 319008 off to Harold and Willstone. Harold and Willstone.
This is so mad, in fact. It literally said change at Harrow and Wellstone for services to London Paddington. Get that then.
So yeah, let's go. So now departing is 390-008 off to Harold and Willstone. If you don't know where that is, it's Willstone Raiders local station. Yeah, 390-008. Next station stop is Warrington Banquet. Willstone Raiders.
After Willstone Raider.
You got no.
No fans.
You got no. Yep.
Got no grand.
There you go. Yeah, you got no fans. Aye. And then there's that beauty over there. After Harold and Willstone. Now departing is 319380 off to the destination is Liverpool Street. Thanks very much for that one tone. Fucking look how packed that is. Jeez Louise. 319380 on the packed service to Liverpool Lime Street. Great one tone there. Driving in now is a class 319 bound for Manchester. Not Manchester Airport, sorry. For Blackpool North. 319385. And they'll say fucking 319365. No, it's not. It's 319385. Off to Manchester. Off to Blackpool North. Why do we keep fucking saying Manchester Airport. It's not Manchester Airport, it's Blackpool North. So, 319385 off to Blackpool North. There we go. Now is 319385 off to Blackpool North. Way! Finally Northern! Now 319385 is not my hatred stalker. Hey! Due to the correct sign, Blackpool North, thank you very much. Not fucking Blind Street. So 319385 off to Blackpool North. Next station stop is Euxton Balshaw Lane for Ben, northwestern spot 390. Also Exton Balshaw Lane, I think, but no. Wait, hang on. Oh yeah. Euxton arriving in now is a class 390 Pendolino bound for Preston.
90.
What can it be? 390 152. Off to Preston, and then it'll shoot back off to somewhere and next destination. Now it's a class 319 384 for here, and then it'll shoot back off to Liverpool on Street.
Freight service.
One not so 390 152 off to Preston. Next station stop only is Preston. And what's the nameplate? It is Virgin Night. So yeah, 3190 390. Oh, there's 390 045. Yes, no, 3190 390 152. And then my favourite unit of all units, and it's come to say hello once again, Virgin Pride. There you go. And if you can see it down there you go, ladies and gents. 390 045 Virgin Pride. So arriving, so now departing is 390 045 Virgin Pride off to Birmingham International. Hey! Hey! Life with Ride with Pride! Yes! Finally! Finally, after some amount of time, there's rainbows on both sides.
Favourite Pendo on the way soon, eh?
Love that livery, guys. To be honest, Ride with Pride is one of the best liveries I've seen so far, and it's not.
Pair of 90s.
And it's a pair of, so passing us now is a class 2 pairs of 90s. 2 DB Shanker Reds.
Absolute wazzock, 90.040. So that was 90.040 and 90.018.
90.040 and 90.018
Okay, Siam.
at 2 DB Reds, and look what it is, class 66. Another DB Red, 66194. 66094 on the Margam train, and it's arrived early. Cheese Louise. 66094 on the Margam train, arrived early. some movement there.
It's the one we can call the Lancastrian Martin, even though it's more of a Edinburgh.
So it is 390049 off to Edinburgh Waverley via Preston. And yeah, Preston, Lancaster, Oxenholme Lake District, Penrith for the North Lakes, Carlisle, Haymarket and Edinburgh Waverley. This service is a 9-car operated for Virgin Trains. 390049. That is 390049 off to Edinburgh Waverley, calling that Preston, Lancaster, Oxenholme Lake District, for the Penrith for the North Lakes, Carlisle, Haymarket and Edinburgh Waverley.
It's a cracking station, that Haymarket.
And do you know what?
Train in there.
And do you know what? This service is operated by Virgin Trains, as you can see, a 9-car instead of
Disqualifications. Right, off out now.
instead of a 11-car. Sometimes it's a 11-car, but whatever turns up, turns up. So yeah. So the Marvel or whatever. 390049 off to Edinburgh Waverley. Preston, Lancaster, Oxenholme Lake District, Penrith for the North Lakes, Haymarket, Carlisle, Haymarket and Edinburgh Waverley. For the last time, that is a announcement and few announcements. So Wigan Northwestern is a good station to film at night, and guess what? Nobby Bobby, show yourself. You'll probably get a blackout on that TV show, and it's an EWS 66001 on the bins tonight. 66061. So yeah, 66061 EWS locomotive on a bins tonight. So yeah. 66061.
I am being serious when saying the Leader were also disqualified from the East Midlands franchise. Madness. I can't really film all this, guys. I'm not.
And there's Simons again.
Mr. Jacobs out of our predictions will probably get it all now, so we will get it all actually. We will get it all. We will, yeah. There's your sirens. We did hear a bit of revving as well before. I think Sebastian Vettel's getting his Baku training on early. He's got to stop that Mercedes 1-2 dominance somehow, hasn't he? Spinning into turn whatever, turn 9 or something, I don't know. Where will we go spinning in Baku, guys?
And for people who didn't know, for the bins, I am getting them all. Now I can stop filming.
Coming up now is a Freightliner class 66.
So passing us now is a class 66 for Freightliner. 66! Oh, 8.
This train is
66508 on a Freightliner movement. there we go, Sebastian Vettel getting his training in. So 319384 is now departing with a service to Liverpool Lime Street, and then we've got another 319, and that's 319364. So we'll go to this side, and we'll get 384 off its merry way to Lime Street. If you don't know where Lime Street is, just do check my video out. It's Liverpool Lime Street. So getting ready to depart is 319364 off to Liverpool Lime Street.
Found out it's 319364 for Liverpool Lime Street. St. Helens Central. About this session tonight.
So, oh, so the passing goes now is a class 350 Desiro. And it's 408 this time.
One of the 1849 Northern service from Water-the-Edge. This train will terminate here.
And then we've got another.
The train now approaching platform 5 does not stop here.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. 350 crossover. $354.06 after Edinburgh Waverley via Preston.
For your safety and comfort, this station operates a no smoking policy.
Arriving in now is a class 319 EMU bound for Wigan Northwestern, which we're standing on, me Northwest Train Spotter 390, and it'll be going back out to Liverpool Lime Street. Three 366 and a nice way from the driver. Thank you very much. I'm turning around in a minute. Now is a class 319 off to Blackpool North, and it's 319372 again.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 2010 Virgin Trains service to Harrow Wilmston, calling at Warrington Bank Quay, Crewe, Rugby, Milton Keynes.
It's 319372. Ben's favourite unit of all time, which is over there. And there we go. There we go. Sebastian Vettel and Charles Leclerc racing. That might be Charles Leclerc, or it might be Sebastian Vettel. So yeah, Sebastian Vettel, keep your speed down. It's not Formula 1. You may be speeding due to practicing to stop the 1000 1-2 from Mercedes, so yeah. Then another Virgin Trains class 390 Pendolino bound for Harold and Willstone Raider. He got no fans. There we go. Bad impression of him. And it is 390 152. 390 152, and a beautiful night at Wigan northwestern. 390 152 Virgin Night again. That might have been a that might have been a platform res, I believe, coming out. So yeah, getting ready to depart is Harold and Wellstone. Harold and Wellstone. Next station stop is Warrington Banking. 390 152 Virgin Night. Harold Wellstone is the destination, and they announced you can get service from there to London Paddington, Farmer, HST now 800, 390 152. There we go. Arriving in now is a class 319. That's where from driver. 319371 off to Manchester. Why do I keep saying Manchester Airport? It's not Manchester Airport. It is Blackpool North. I hate this. I keep seeing it and I can't even ready to depart. It's 319371 off to Blackpool North.
Score Norwich City 1, Sheffield Wednesday 1. Leeds got beat, Sheffield United 1. Big for the championship promotion spots.
And then arriving in now is a class 319 Pendolino.
Coming in now
is
the service for Birmingham International.
39138 off to Birmingham International. Calling at Warrington Bank Quay, Crewe, Wolverhampton, Samwell and Dudley, Birmingham New Street and Birmingham International. The reason for those trains calling at Birmingham International and not London Euston is because there's works going on and works taking place at London Euston for HS2, which is, if you don't understand that, it is a high-speed 2 network from London to Manchester, gets you there roughly via Birmingham, roughly about less than 2 hours, maybe a bit more than 2 hours, but yeah, that's the reason pretty much. Sorry about that, guys. Off going now is 319 374. Oh, 366. There we go. Off to Liverpool High Street. Next station stop is Bryn, Giles Wood, St Helens Central, Fatto Heath, Eccleston Park, Prescott, Highton, Roby, Wavy Tree Technology Park and Liverpool High Street. And anyway, 39138 9 Mike 61 off to Birmingham International, calling at Warrington Bank Quay, Crewe, Wolverhampton, Samwell and Dudley, Birmingham New Street and Birmingham International. So yeah, 390 138. Well then, what an interesting night this has been. So yeah, off that goes. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here at Wigan Northwestern, which is there, and also there. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to check this video out when it uploads. So from here at Wigan, Northwest Train Spotter 390 says goodbye with a thumbs up.
See you later.
See you later. And for me here at Wigan Northwestern on a night session, first things first, beautiful that night. And then there's party going on over there. So from a party night at Wigan Northwestern and a good night session here at Wigan Northwestern. Also, I'll see you in my next video, and that's a goodbye from me and party Wigan Northwestern and also Northwest Train Spot 390. Goodbye guys, enjoy the night.